Okay, so in this video, I wanted to show you a simple C++ game that I made in less than an hour. And even you can code it in less than an hour. It's a very simple game. You can use it to show it for your school assignment or college assignment or whatever. But more importantly, you will have fun coding it by yourself. After you have learned basics of C++, I think you should make some kind of application, some kind of project, so you can take up this as one of them. It's a good way to refresh your basic level skills in C or C++. So basically the name of the game is Casino Royale. It's similar to the game in the casino wherein you will have to guess a particular number or any random number. You will be given some number of chances, and within those chances you will have to guess the number. And every time you try to guess, you will have to ask a question like greater or lesser. That means the entered number, is it greater than the actual number or is it lesser than the actual number? And depending upon the answer from the computer, you will have to make your further guesses. So basically the most important function is the random function. You will need the random function in order to generate random numbers for every game. The computer will generate and you'll have to guess that number. So for that you need the rand, and for rand you should first declare srand like this, srand time null. You can also use the second method. It's a modern method, like you will get all non-deterministic random numbers also. I am using this only now. It's okay. It's not such a big deal. You can use this also. So this is your second option. And basically this random number will generate will generate any number from 0 to n. So that's what this number will do. And so basically this game, you'll have to first enter how many games you want to play, and n represents the games here. And for the sake of saving time, I have kept the number of chances as 5 only. And yeah, so this is the game description. And let's actually play one round and I'll show you how this works. It's a simple game only. And let me show you how it works. You can code it very quickly. And if you want the source code by any chance, in the comment section, just give me your email ID. I will send the source code to you. Okay, so let us play one game. And yeah, this is the game description. So basically you have to guess a number. I have kept it from 0 to 100 only. And basically you can ask two questions, greater or lesser. And if you ask greater, that means the entered number, whatever number you have entered, is greater than the actual number. And if the answer is lesser, that means whatever number you have entered is lesser than the actual number. So depending upon what answers the computer gives, you have to make your next guess. It might be a little tricky sometimes, but it's okay. Let's start. Okay, let us enter the number you are guessing. Let me enter some number. So if the number is equal to, if whatever number you have entered is equal to the actual number, it will say you already win if you guess within 5 trials. So it is 23 is not the correct number. So let us say greater. So 23 is not greater than the actual number. So we need to guess a higher number. So let us guess 56. Let us say greater. 56 is not greater. 56 is not greater than the actual number. So we need to guess a higher number. Let us say 82. I don't know why it's taking so much time. What happened to it? Okay, let us just open another compiler then. And I'll just copy this code here. And I'll run this. So I'll say 1. Okay, let us start the game. Let us say I want to guess, I'll guess again 23 only. I'll say greater. 23 is not greater, I'll put 56 again. Oh, I already won the game. So this time the number is actually 56, whereas over here, what has happened? I don't know why this has stopped. It's okay. So later I'll check what happened over here, but I hope you got the game now. In the second try only, I won the game. So this is how we actually play the game. Let me take one more run. I'll play one more game and show you where I won't win. I hopefully won't win. Let's see. I want to show you the entire game, that's why. So I want to play one game. I will guess the number 45 and I'll say lesser. 45 is not lesser than the number. That means 45 is greater than the number. That means I have to choose a smaller number. Let me choose 24. Let's say lesser. 24 is lesser than the actual number. So the actual number is greater than 24. So I hope you're getting now how to guess. The number is between 45 and 24. So let us say the number is 35. Let me say greater. 35 is greater than the number. So no, 35, yeah, 35 is greater than the number. So the number is smaller than 35. So the number is between 24 and 35. So let me say 29. Let me say greater. 29 is not greater. So this is very close now. It is between 35 and 29. My last chance to win the game. What should I press? Which number? Let me say 34 or 31. Oh, I lost. So the game, so the number was 33. So this is the game. It's a simple game. If you're bored, you can play. You can make it by yourself and play. If you are facing problem, let me share the source code with you. You can ask for it by giving your email ID in the comment section. So this is a nice game for any beginner, any person in college, first year, second year, 12th standard, 10th standard, 11th standard, whoever is learning C++, whoever has learned enough, like whoever has learned enough to make this game, I think can take a challenge and make this game. So this was first game. I will be showing you. I've made some other games also. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.